When you hear the word trauma center, people automatically think, major car accidents, different things. I mean, you can hurt yourself in your house bad enough to need a trauma center.
So Mike had a very unusual type of pelvic fracture at the back of his pelvis with a spine that was fused.
I was in my own house, on my own ladder, getting into my own attic when I fell off of the ladder.
It was a fracture in a very specific plane that makes it highly unstable and hard to stabilize.
We went to the emergency room, obviously in Vail. When they did the x-rays and the CAT scan and determined the magnitude of the injury that I had, then the orthopedic doctor came in and explained to me that it was out of the scope of what any of their guys kind of did. It was really, really painful to try to move and to try to get up out of bed. As Dr. Moffrey comes in, explains to me that this is, his area of expertise.
It's all about how many repetitions you've had at doing what you're doing best. And the more you do of these, the better you are at it. And I think we're really good at it because we see a lot of these. We treat a lot of these pelvic fractures, fairly mini-invasive, through tiny keyholes. CT navigation is a technology that's very new in the trauma world that allows you to use cameras in the room. It tells you where your hand is in a three-dimensional space so that based on that information you can send screws or wires inside the body safely, knowing at any given time where this screw is going into the patient's body.
So far, so good. So far, really good. Really good. I can't tell you. I mean, I basically haven't taken anything much stronger than Tylenol since this happened.
The way to reduce the pain is to reduce the motion at the fracture. And as soon as you place a large screw or a nail or plate and screws, then the pieces of bone that previously were moving are no longer moving, and that in itself helps patients recover from that pain pretty immediately.
The care that I received is as good as you're going to get any place, no matter what amount of money you're paying or whatever. I mean, it was phenomenal. I was very, very happy. They have a really good group here, I can tell you that.